Web pages are created by using HTML, or hypertext markup language, and there are some required elements or required tags that need to be in every single page. So let's talk about what those are. So the very first thing you'll see if you look at the HTML of any page is something called a doc type. Looks just like this. And that is basically telling the browser what version of HTML you're using. In this case, we're using HTML5. So that's not actually a tag. It's called a doc type. And again, it's just telling the browser what version of HTML we're using. After that are the HTML tags. You can see we've got two of them. We're going to split those apart. And everything between those two tags is HTML, so your browser knows to read that as HTML. And then you'll have two other sections. First one is called your head tag. This is behind the scenes information. This is things that your browser will read that will tell information about your site. One thing that actually is visible that's required is something called the title. The title is what shows up here in your page tab. So if we put in awesome website and we go ahead and save that, when I refresh it, you can see it says awesome website. Let's make this a little bit bigger. The next section that is required is the body. The body contains all of the visible items or elements for your page. So anything that we type in here will show up. We save that and you can see that it's actually showing up in the body of the web page. So that's it. So once again, you've got a doc type that tells the browser which version of HTML it is. You've got HTML tags telling it that everything between those two tags is HTML. You've got a head tag here that's telling it behind the scenes information about your website. And then you've got the body tags which tell it all of the things that should be displayed or visible on your web page.